What's the meaning of cart? Cart. Cart.
Cart. Cart. A cart is a vehicle typically pushed or pulled by a person or animal used to transport goods or people. It usually has a box-shaped structure and is mounted on 2 or 4 wheels. Carts have been used for transportation since ancient times, and they are still used in many parts of the world. They can be made of various materials such as wood, metal, or plastic, and can range in size from small handcarts to large farm wagons. Overall, a cart is a simple but effective way to transport heavy loads over short distances.